All right, here it is. Wicked excited to give this thing a try. So I got these batteries charged up, and I'm gonna do an in-depth on this. We're gonna try this out. We're gonna try it against other chainsaws, and we're gonna test it. But it's late tonight, and I want to try it out. So we're just gonna do a couple of cuts. I'm gonna do a couple with the 8s, and then a couple with the 12s, and we're gonna see how this thing does. And it's all full of oil. I just want to see what it weighs with the 8 amp hour batteries. I weighed it with the 12s and it was 22 pounds, 5 ounces. It's 20 pounds, 5 ounces. So maybe the oil puts it over. So that's partial. We want full power mode, and we want to cut a piece of wood with this thing. All right, so this is a 19-inch piece of beech. So this is going to be pretty much the full bar on this thing. Let's give it a couple tries. I want to see if the torque is really what they say it is on this. All right, I'm going to try it with the 12s now. Am I blown away? No. So, but it's good. So let's try it with the 12s and see how it is. Okay, 2 pounds heavier and $500 worth of batteries heavier. Let's see if there's an appreciable difference. I would say yes, there's definitely an appreciable difference. I can feel more power for sure. All right, so first impressions with this thing, with the 8 amp hour batteries, I wasn't overwhelmed. I haven't tested it out yet, but I'd say it's probably comparable to the Ego and the Greenworks. And I was like really looking forward to something better, the 70cc claim. Now, those are new batteries, so maybe they'll get a little bit, you know, after they've been used a few times, maybe they'll warm up a little bit. But with the 12 amp hour forge, there was an appreciable difference, like quite a bit more power and noticeable. And now it's in the range. Like now it does feel like a 70cc gas saw. So is the claim there with the 12? Yeah. And are we going to find out how this works with 3/8 chains that are more aggressive and maybe a bigger bar or different bars, and try some combinations and test this out against other saws? Absolutely. We're going to get into this, but this was just the first look. So look forward for more on this saw. Excited to play with this toy.